Welcome to this beautiful meditation, affirmations of gratitude and peace. My name is Stacy, and I'm glad to share this space with you. This affirmation meditation can be done seated or lying down. You could even have it going on in the background while you're maybe getting ready for your day, driving, maybe cooking a meal. Just simply being aware of the words that will come into this meditation. If you would like, you can repeat the words with me, after me. We'll begin by just bringing your awareness to the present moment. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? What do you smell? Is there a lingering taste in your mouth? Just noticing right now. And the breath is just normal, soft, without any tension, without any manipulation. Just simply breathing, bringing our awareness to our heart space. I'd like for you to listen to the affirmations, and then I will allow some space between affirmations for them to just kind of marinate with you, where you can repeat them. Either way, know that these affirmations of gratitude and peace come deep from the heart. I am safe. I am supported. I am at peace. Thank you. I welcome love, joy, and abundance into my life. Thank you. My body is strong. My mind is calm. And my heart is open. Thank you. I embrace each moment with gratitude. Thank you. I trust in the journey of my life and honor my path. Thank you. I am surrounded by love and kindness in all that I do. Thank you. My breath grounds me, centers me, and fills me with peace. Thank you. I release all that no longer serves me, and I welcome new possibilities. Thank you. I am worthy of love, joy, and harmony. Thank you. I feel the warmth of water running over my body. Thank you. I feel the comfort of clothes and bedding. Thank you. I listen to the sounds of life around me, knowing that I am part of this great universe. Thank you. My mouth tastes beautiful, fresh fruits and vegetables. Thank you. As you take a final deep breath in, bringing yourself back to the present moment, what's around you, what you hear, what you smell. Eyes might look around and see something beautiful. And I invite you to carry this feeling of gratitude with you throughout your day, and maybe even find yourself whispering, thank you, as you walk through a threshold into a building. Someone holds the door, or you notice the sun on your face, or there's a smile that comes from a random stranger, or at the end of your day when you finish a meal and your belly is full, to simply say thank you. And when you lay your head on your pillow at night tonight, knowing that you are supported, loved, and at peace, whisper the words, thank you. Have a beautiful day.